Your mouth is not on fire, it has never been on fire. But when you eat chili and you feel that burning, there is no heat. Nothing in your mouth has really changed. Just a single molecule has detected the exact protein in your nerve cells that detects dangerous heat and pulled the alarm without a fire. You are being lied to by pepper. The molecule responsible is called capsaicin. It is produced only in chili plants, concentrated in white pithy tissue around the seeds, not the seeds themselves. The plants evolved it as a defense for mammals that they crush their seeds and they destroy them. Capsaicin is oil soluble. It does not dissolve in water. This single fact explains why reaching for a glass of water is the worst thing you can do. Your body has a protein channel in nerve cells which is called TRPV1. It fires when the temperature exceeds 43 degrees Celsius, the threshold where the tissue starts to damage. Capsaicin fits perfectly into TRPV1 channel. The channel cannot tell the difference between actual temperature and capsaicin. Your body responds: sweat, tear, pain, all produced by a molecule that generates no heat. And capsaicin is not the only molecule that does this. Mustard and wasabi, black pepper uses piperine, ginger uses gingerol. When your mouth burns, you reach for water. But this does nothing. Drinking water doesn't dissolve capsaicin, instead it spreads it all over your mouth, coating more receptors. Milk, however, works, all because of a protein that contains, which is called casein. Casein is a fat-loving molecule. It surrounds and binds to capsaicin, physically pulling it away from the TRPV1 receptors. Bread, beer, oil, everything works for the same reason. If spicy food burns you on the way out, that is real capsaicin. Because it is oil soluble, it travels through your digestive system almost intact. Your kidneys pass some of it into your urine. And TRPV1 receptors do not exist only in your mouth. They line the entire digestive and urinary tract. Birds can eat the spiciest chilies around the world and still don't feel anything. Their TRPV1 receptor is slightly different shape, and capsaicin cannot bind. It's how evolution works. Plants develop capsaicin to deter mammals. The plant engineered the molecule selectively painful based on the biology of the animal eating it. Yet, more than 1 billion people actively seeking to eat it. When the TRPV1 receptor fires the alarm signal, then your brain produces endorphins, the same natural painkillers that are produced through exercise and laughter. It also releases dopamine. Your brain registers danger signal with feel-good chemical, and you experience benign masochism. The hotter the chili, the higher the response. This is why eating chili is addictive. Bye.